How to change your Steam password on mobile app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Steam password on mobile app. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. Open your Steam app on your mobile. Now log into the page, select help and tap I can't log in or forgot your account name or password. After you do this, you can choose I forgot my Steam account name or password. Now what you need to do is tap your email address or the phone number there, and then you can simply select the email or the select account. After you tap your email address, a verification code will be sent on your email. You need to tap on that and you need to update your password and your Steam application. On your Steam application, follow the link to enter your new password and save the password on your device, and then you are done. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.